So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, we're going to expand HT current user. Then you want to expand system. Then you want to click on game config store. And now you want to click on game DVR underscore enabled. You want to double click on it. And you want to set the value data to 0 and click on OK. And once you do that, for the second step, we're just going to close out all of this. And now instead, we're going to be opening up HK local machine. And then you want to click on software. And then you want to click on Microsoft. You want to scroll down and then expand policy manager. And then you want to expand default. And then you want to scroll down and expand application management. And then you want to click on allow game DVR. Now once you're on this, you want to double click on value. And you want to change the value data to 0 and click on OK. Now you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.